An incredible opportunity to own an Energy Star-rated home rebuilt by BPC Builders in 2009. This contemporary cape has an open concept with cherrywood floors throughout. Custom cherrywood kitchen cabinets, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The open flow of the kitchen with a reading niche, to the dining area and living room with gas fireplace, creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. French doors to a blue stone patio that overlooks the sunset on the west side of the house. The primary suite has a full bath with radiant heated floors and jetted tub, French doors to a deck that you can watch the sun rise and enjoy a cup of coffee. There is a separate office space with a secret door panel that connects to the 2 additional bedrooms and full bath on the opposite wing. Green energy features include an energy recovery ventilator that circulates fresh air every 4 hours, roof insulation R51 R58, walls R30 R31, garage ceiling R53, garage wired for a level 2 charging station, permeable pavers in the driveway, 5 sun tunnels that bring incredible light into the home, fiber cement clapboard. The energy costs in this house are less than 50% of the same-sized standard-built home. Propane heat 4 zones, even the basement has conditioned air. Garage and basement floors are urethane coated. Move in and enjoy everything this home has to offer.